To other news now, the right path but wrong timing. Stakeholders in the education sector continue to chime in on the Ministry of Education's announcement for a new sixth form program being mandated for all students. However, they argue that more discussions are needed for a successful implementation. Jamela Maitland reports.
There are mixed reactions surrounding the implementation of a mandatory sixth form program, which will see students completing an additional 2 years of schooling before graduating from grade 13. It's called the Sixth Form Pathways Program, and while not in disagreement, stakeholders were hoping for more consultation with the public before a policy decision was taken.
Having a sixth form is a good thing. When I served in that ministry, I encouraged schools to try and develop sixth forms because it adds maturity to the school community.
Ronald Thwaites is a former education minister and now the national coordinator for Catholic schools. He said the majority of schools are not ready. Moreover, he's highlighting the disparity in funding from the government for students who enroll at high school versus community colleges or private facilities.
Those who stay in the high school will only be paid, subsidized, paid for at $17,000. Now that's nonsense, Jamila. Can't do that.
But during Parliament today, Education Minister Favour Williams tried to justify the cost, one which seemingly didn't sit well with some MPs.
In our public schools, the government already provides the building, the electricity, the internet, the teacher, the admin staff, all of that, all right? Whereas in our private schools, they have to, provide for their own teachers.
The recent CXC passes have been described as poor, with a disappointing 23% pass rate in mathematics. Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says there are many children being engaged in criminal activities, but opposition spokeswoman on education Dr. Angela Brownberg argues that an additional 2 years may not be the solution to the learning loss being experienced because of the pandemic.
We need to ensure that all our children have these choices. And we also need to fix K through 11 before we begin to talk about the 2 additional years.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.